next step is determining what limits and deductibles you're going to require. This gets a little difficult for a new attorney just starting their law firm because, of course, you have a lot of expenses. And we found that most attorneys that are starting a firm tend to start off with, a little bit lower limits, and then as they renew each year, those limits are going to increase as the complexity of their law practice increases. But that's something you talk to your broker about. Again, determine limits could be, as we talked about early on in the presentation, it could be a client that's requiring you to carry a certain limit. Like, for example, if you're going to be doing real estate closings, the title companies out there require mainly a minimum of $250,000 per claim. There are some other title companies that require you to carry $1 million, or they require you to carry a limit that's equal to the largest closing you're going to handle for them. So you really need to find that information out on the front end before you purchase your first policy, find out what your client requirements are. For small firms, we recommend carrying a $5,000 per claim deductible or less. The savings for higher deductibles just isn't enough to justify you taking on more out-of-pocket exposure in the event you did have a claim.